Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I'm doing something this morning that I really don't ever do. I'm looking at a commercial project, which in this case is a multi-story building in downtown Orlando. And I'm just highlighting two different trees. One is the one we're looking at right there, which is 3 Chinese fan palms that are all look like they're in the 16 to 20 foot of trunk height range. And over here are 2 20 to 25 foot trunk height foxtails. So these are beautiful trees. If you go a little bit further to the right, there's 2 real tall Chinese fan palms. So there's 3 looks here. And this is something to keep in mind. I don't know what kind of project you have that you might be trying to accomplish some beautification on, but here are some beautiful looks. If you like any of them and you would like us to help you create these at your location, reach out to us and we'll make it happen. That's what we do. That's what we're good at. We're the best there is. We've done it for 50 years. We look forward to hearing from you.